Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy Aaron here. It's another Saturday, and you know what happens on every Saturday, 4 p.m. Well, if you don't know and you're just joining this channel, my name is Aaron. I make videos about tech, forex trading, finance, building an online business, basically my journey to success here on YouTube, and doing all those things I talked about, so you guys can learn from the journey as well. So every Saturday, guys, I drop a weekly review video. What is the weekly review video? Basically go over all the possible trade entries that you would have taken during the week on pairs that you suggest, and also all the possible trade entries I took on pairs that I trade, both on my $5,000 profit firm account, which I'm doing a challenge on. I'm also dropping those videos every Sunday 4 p.m, while Saturday is the weekly review. So we also go over the next week. We forecast the next week. Why should you watch the forecast or watch to the end? That's because most times, if you check the previous videos on the weekly review, we're most likely to get the forecast for the next week right. So it keeps you informed, it gives you insight to my strategy, it makes you see what you missed, and it's just awesome, guys. So that's why you should subscribe, hit the bell icon. Also make sure to drop a comment on the pair you want me to check next week, because most times it's from the comments I pick pairs to check out. So let me get into my laptop screen. Hopefully you watch to the end, because there are some little secrets I'll be letting out about Bitcoin and some crypto stuff which I don't usually talk about. So I'll be talking about it, so make sure you watch to the end, every single thing. So I'll see you guys in my laptop screen right now. So on my laptop screen right now, I'm going to start with my favorite pair, which you guys already know, XAUSD Gold. So I love gold a lot. So this is the weekly time frame. So basically, this analysis we're going to do is not this review we're going to do is every single trade in the week, both the lower time frame, the silver bullet, the one I took on live stream, the ones you would have taken. Most of you will see this as well. Most of you will learn a lot from this. So I'm always telling you guys, watch this video to the end. Like, there's swing trading here, there's scalping here, there's every single thing you need. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Trust me, you see a lot of insights. Like, especially last week was very, very crazy. So let's start from the weekly time frame. Everybody already knows, if you're a swing trader, gold is always going up. Gold is always going up. Like, especially with the war in Ukraine, countries are moving their investments to gold and all these things, because it's very stable. So it has been going up. So but what we're concerned about is last week, so which is a whole weekly review. Even though you are watching this video at a later time, you are still going to learn a lot from this. Trust me, you're still going to learn a lot from this. So let's start from Monday. Yeah, so starting from Monday, so that was Monday. So that's what we're concerned about, because I put that line there so we can know that that's Monday. So let's go to the lower time frame now and see if we can find a setup on that Monday. So basically, you can see on Monday, so beautiful, you can see that there's a setup here. Most of you, especially my private mentorship students, who can see this already. So you can see that I entered the trade here, but I didn't put the line. Let me now go to the 1 hour so you can see why I actually entered it. So gold has been bullish, we know it. I've been targeting this high. As a point of liquidity, because price moves to where imbalance and liquidity. There's imbalance here, there's liquidity here. So my target is moving up. On Monday now, I came and I watched price. I saw price has broken the structure. What I just need to do is that I know it's going to retrace into this fair value gap. I know it's going to bounce off this other block. So what do I need to do? I can start buying here. If you're a swing trader, you can start buying here. Put your stop loss below here, or put your stop loss below the other block, but around here is usually safe. So you now target what, ×2, or you target this high. If you target this high, it's even more than ×2. It's 2.9. So if you're risking $10, you make 29. So you can see it was very clean. But if you are a more conservative trader, you have a smaller account, and you're trading gold, you can't put that kind of long stop loss. So what do? You come to lower time frame, you wait for a market structure shift within this other block. So let's see if that's actually happened. So go down to the lower time frame. I even went down to very, very low. I'm going down to the 3 minutes time frame now. I'm going to that line Monday. So let's see what happened that Monday now. So you can see basically it was very early in the morning. You can see we were waiting for the market structure shift. It didn't quite happen. All these ones are smaller market structure shift that will just make you get stopped up. It didn't actually happen until around here. Then you can buy here and go up. But you can see, let's say you were waiting, it didn't come through, but you were still on the smaller time frame. See what I did here? I entered a sell here. This was the silver bullet. I live streamed this one. The silver bullet, remember, is from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So I live streamed this silver bullet. So this was 8 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock. This indicator helped me mark it out. So you can see the fair value gap formed at 8:21. So I just had to wait for a break of structure, which happened here. Then I retracement there. Then I put my entry, and you make money on Monday. So that could have been it for you on Monday as a scalper. Very simple. You would have made your money on Monday. But if you are a swing trader, you like the hourly time frame, you would have just waited for this other block which actually got tapped in. Then if you want to go in and enter it at a smaller time frame, you can see around 11:48 up to 12 o'clock, it was inside this fair value gap. Why is that fair value gap significant? Because we have gone like this, we have done a shift in market structure here, which is meant to that fair value gap. Remember that we could have already started buying from the 1 hour, but we wanted a confirmation. This would have been your confirmation, and you would have put your entry here like this, and you would have still made money that Monday. One winning trade for the day is enough. One winning trade for the day is enough. For me, I didn't take this higher time frame one. The one I took was this silver bullet, which I shared on the live stream. That's why it's important you subscribe to the channel and always check out the live stream. So let's go to Tuesday. Let's see if there was an entry on Tuesday as well. So I bring this line over here, so you can see on the 1 hour there was an entry on Tuesday. Why is that an entry? My students already know that this is an entry because we have already started going up on Monday. From here where you bought, you have already started going up. Maybe you are already taking profit, but you want to continue the move up. What do you wait for? You wait for a retracement to a fair value gap. This is a 1 hour fair value gap. From around 4 a.m. till 2 o'clock, it was in that fair value gap. You would have seen entry to buy. You can start buying immediately from the 1 hour like this. You can start buying immediately from the 1 hour like this, or as I said, you can always go to the lower time frame and look for your entry. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's check the silver bullet. If silver bullet still give us, let's say you didn't want to trade that, you just wanted to trade the silver bullet 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Let's see if you would have found the silver bullet that Tuesday. So let's see if you would have found the silver bullet. So we're going back to, this is 8 o'clock now. So you can see this is, let me bring out my indicator. So you see that this is 8 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock, that line. So now you can see at exactly 8:09 the fair value gap formed. We just had to wait for a market structure shift, a retracement into the fair value gap, then we sell. So you see we sold here. You just target what? Liquidity. So this is liquidity, relatively equal lows. So that would have given you up to a 3.9 risk to reward ratio, and you would have been done for the day. But let's say you didn't even want to trade this silver bullet, you would have still entered that buy that we saw on the 1 hour time frame. And if you wanted to wait for a confirmation, you would have just waited for this shift in market structure here. There's a fair value gap here that you would have entered. This was around 12:45. This was around also 1:24. This was around 2:57. You tapped into that fair value gap so many times, so you would have seen possible entries. Or here, you would have entered there. So I didn't take this higher time frame on. I took the silver bullet on the live stream. If the silver bullet would have lost, I would have taken this one later in the day. But I took the silver bullet. One win in the day is enough. So we now go over to what? Wednesday. So I'll drag the line to Wednesday. So we'll go over to Wednesday. Let me put it around 2 a.m. early in the morning. So we're going to Wednesday now. Let's check if we would have seen a possible entry on Wednesday. So basically on the hourly time frame, because we're checking the 1 hour first, the higher time frame, you can see there was a possible entry on the 1 hour time frame here, because we're still looking to continue the move up. So we just wait for POIs, point of interest, like other blocks, fair value gap, which was formed here. There was a fair value gap here around 3 a.m. In case you missed it, you would have entered this other block. But maybe if you are looking for high risk to reward, you would have gotten stopped out. So, but if you are looking for low risk to reward, you would have made money at that higher time frame. But let's go to the silver bullet, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Let's see if it actually formed that Wednesday, and if you would have made money on Wednesday 3 times in a row now. So we're going to Wednesday. So you can see I still took this one again, 3 wins back to back. So you can see I put it the 8 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock. The silver bullet formed at 8:09 again, just like yesterday. So it's algorithmic, like it's the algorithm machine. So you can see where it formed there. You just have to wait for a retracement into the fair value gap, put your stop loss above the high. You aim for what? Liquidity, points of liquidity. So this is liquidity here, this is the fair value gap below it. So you would have gotten 2.7 risk to reward ratio, and you would have been done for the day. Let's say you wanted to even take I think we had a higher time frame entry. Yeah, this was the higher time frame entry around 2:30, but this one is enough for you. If you watch the live stream, you would have seen it. So subscribe to the channel, always watch the live stream that I'm always doing. So let's go to Thursday now. So we're servicing 2 people now, the higher time frame guys and the lower time frame guys. So that's Thursday. So beautiful. Thursday had a good sell. Let's see if how you'll be able to profit with that sell on Thursday. So on the hourly time frame, I can't really see anything except from here, I think around here, because this other block, because I already got this other block here. This is what I was watching. I wanted to see price close below 50%. Anytime price close below 50% of an order block, it usually violates it. That means it's no longer valid. So basically what we had here, it closed below it at 7 o'clock. So basically I now know that I'm looking for what sells, which I took here. I took the sell here because there was a fair value gap there, so I took the sell there because it was invalid. So that was the hourly sell. I took the hourly one, higher time frame, aim for liquidity, but it went way down. Like I didn't know it was going to go down. So that's why it's good to like at least leave one position on to see how far it can go. See, it went like down, teared down, but I just came out at a 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Let's check the lower time frame silver bullet if it also formed on Thursday. Remember the silver bullet 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So I've brought out the indicator. You can see this is 8 o'clock, this is 9 o'clock. So what we just need to do is make sure this is the fair value gap that I got into. So the fair value gap, most times it's not always that it forms within 8 to 9. It can form just outside. Like here it was 7:54. It's still valid. I was still able to take it, and plus it's still aligned with my higher time frame trade. So that was why it was like valid, very valid for a good sell. So it was very valid for a good sell that Thursday. So we can see 4 winning trades in a row now. So let's go to Thursday. Friday. So I don't want to check. Okay, let me just do due diligence to check higher time frame on Friday. So because Friday is already the end of the week, so you don't really see much higher time frame moves. So I love trading silver bullet on Friday because it's just sharp before the week closes. So I'm drawing the line to Friday morning. So that's Friday morning. As you can see, I didn't really see much because I didn't know exactly where to take a sell inside here because the stop loss is huge. You can see I have to cover all the whole fair value gap. See the stop loss on gold. You can imagine how much that is. So you can see it is very wide for you to get it to reach here. That's why Fridays I don't like trading higher time frame. I like trading silver bullets. So go down to 3 minutes and show you guys the silver bullets on Friday. Silver bullet on Friday was clean as well. So you can see this silver bullet formed at 809 again. Like geez, 809. You have seen 3 809 silver bullets now. So you can see 809, the gap formed. Just wait for a retracement into the gap. You put your stop loss below the high. You aim for what? Times 2. So you aim for times 2 here. It just tapped in times 2 exactly at times 2. But for me, my broker, it got very close to hitting me, but it just reversed. It didn't hit the take profit, it reversed, and I closed that break even because my rule is that anytime I get more than what I'm mixing, like if I'm mixing 50 and price moves my favor $50, even though it reverses, I'll close it because I don't want to lose anything because that's already gone too far. So I closed that break even. I didn't lose anything at that Friday, so everything was good. So basically the video is already very long. I don't want the weekly review videos to be very long, so I don't think I'll have time to analyze Euro USD and the rest. Although Euro USD, you can see, you can screenshot it and look at the trades I took. You can screenshot it and look at the trades I took because I've already explained the strategy and everything. There were silver bullets here, silver bullet here, silver bullet here. So you can screenshot it, check it out by yourself. So you can also send me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is always on the screen. So I'll see you guys next. Oh, I forgot to do the forecast for next week. So let's just quickly do that forecast. So the reason why I'm not really bothered about the forecast is because I'll be live streaming everything. So you can join the live stream on Monday to see the forecast. So basically this is what I'm looking at, a price to go into here. So just join the live stream, subscribe, you'll be able to see the forecast for the week because every day I'll be dropping the live streams. So I'll see you guys in the next video.